guys, my name is Jaxon from Ramfurley Primary School. I'm here to show you how to do my makeup tutorial and show you my look. So the first product that I use is foundation. I just dab a little bit on my chin and work up. Done my chin. Then I just put a lot. I dab it first, just to get it everywhere, and then I'll go underneath my eyes. I try not to get it on my eyelashes, but it doesn't listen to me, it just goes on there anyway. Okay, done that. Now I need to do the other cheek. Like I said, just dab it, just to get it everywhere. And then I spread it. And if you got too much, just use the other side of the sponge and then you'll be alright. And you don't have to use this sponge, you can use whatever you want. You can use brushes, beauty blenders, or a sponge that I'm using. Okay, no, just need to put a little bit, skipped. Okay, just put a little bit on your forehead. Okay, so I've done that. Next, you go into the concealer. I'm not gonna put that much on because, yeah, that's just how I do it. Put some on the chin. One stripe, one stripe. You can get a little bit more. Okay, I just get a little bit more and put it on my forehead and even draw a little triangle, fill that in. Okay, I've done that. So next thing I need to do is, I just need to get another brush real quick. Okay, now I got a circle one because it just helps me and I like it. Just so I can put my fingers like that without my fingers falling off the sponge. Well, this sponge is working really well. I would recommend you to use a beauty blender because that's what I use, but this is the only thing I could find right now because my sister would be using my beauty blender. Okay, I tried as hard to blend that in and I made success. So next thing that I use, so we've done the concealer and we've done the foundation. The next thing that I will use is the powder. So I use this powder and see the brand up there. I use that because I love that brand, literally. It literally gets everything I need. Okay. I would recommend you to moisturize your skin before you put powder on, because then it would just look crumbly. come to the forehead. Okay, so I've done that. You might get like a little bit of concealer and foundation on your eyelashes, so it might be a little hard for you to put mascara on. See, I use this mascara, and it's actually great lash, and it's waterproof, so this is going to be hard to get off tonight. Okay. The technique that I use, I just get the mascara stick and just blink it on my eye. Okay, then I just put one dab. Okay. Do the same with the other eye. Okay, once you're done with that, I normally just go to the eyeshadow palette and I use this eyeshadow palette with a brush and a little clip. It has all of these colors. And the color that I mostly use is that one right there. I just use that and then I use a darker color to put it and blend it in. Oops, got some eyeshadow on my... Okay, I just give it a little blur to get all of the other side of it off. Then I just do the same thing to the other eye. Then I open my eyes and then I just put a little bit on the creases of my eye. Okay, time to put the base color on. I normally put like a darker color because it blends in with the lighter color that I used. Do the creases first. One more layer on. Okay, and then do the same with the other eye. I would recommend you using a lighter color first and then using a darker color because it just blends in really well. Okay, I'm all done. This is how my makeup looks, and yeah, thank you for watching my makeup tutorial.